ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ನಿನ್ನದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನನ್ನದು. This book is not yours. It is mine. This book is not yours. It is mine. ಈ ಫೋನ್ ನಿನ್ನದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅವರದ್ದು. This phone is not yours. It is theirs. This phone is not yours. It is theirs. ಈ ಕಾರು ನಿನ್ನದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು. Now you comment the English of this sentence. For more interesting English videos, subscribe my YouTube channel.